Hi, my name is Jonathan. I'm from Provita and I'm going to show you today how to mount our ceiling lamp. Of course, it will look a little different at the end, but this is going to represent the structure. Basically, where the lamp is going, or where the spacer is going to be mounted on. So you will receive this spacer with this bag with the accessories for it. It's basically this where you're going to be using to mount this spacer. We have this structure. You're going to have something like this. These screws are not. We don't send these screws with the goods because we don't know what kind of a structure you're going to have. But basically, no matter which one you have, all you need is this screw. Then in this bag with the accessories, you're going to find part like this, and you're going to take then the black part. You are going to put that plastic part inside one of these, and then that's the part that we're going to insert here. We're mounting the part now. You will need then afterwards these three parts, where you're going to take again the black part. You're going to put this inside, this other one comes next, and this will go inside the screw, and then we will mount it with the nut. Important is the nut, because we do not send these screws with. The nuts are not included either. These goes the ones you have, and we will mount the spacer. Please remember that in the back you will have extra of these rings. They are, I don't know if you can see it, but you have three different sizes of these rings. This is in case the spacer, the structure of the ceiling is not level, that you can put it in between in one of each side in order to level out the construction, that at the end the lamp will be mounted straight and it will not be bended. So these other rings will go in between, depending on the level that is not level. They will be inserted in the screw, so you can move this part and then you can level out. Also, you will see different holes. You can use like we did it in 4, but you can also, instead of this, use this one. That depends on the kind of ceiling you have and how you're going to be mounting it. In the instructions manual, we say that we need at least 3 screws, or 3 mounting points, but you can we recommend 4. So this is the second part of the video, and we are going to show you how now to mount the structure of the lamp itself to the spacer that we have already mounted on the ceiling. So you will receive this together with the lamp that we will show you later, and you will receive another bag with the exactly the same one that we sent before. With the only difference that you will receive screws in this one in order to mount both together. but it's basically the same same procedure. One of these with one of these and one of these that we're going to show you in a little bit. We're going to show you now how to mount it. So I have the structure for the lamp. I have the same of the screws, the same thing. One of the black ones, one of these, and this plastic part. So we're going to mount one screw complete, so you see how it goes. My colleague will do it and you can see it. We will do it slow. For the middle, you need just one of the black parts and one of these rings. You will hold that, put the screw inside, and through the structure. On the other side, you will put one of the big rings, one of the thick ones, and another. So as you can see, we have already mounted the spacer with the lamp arm, let's put it this way. Now you have to imagine that here we will put the ceiling, the false ceiling. Here we can show you, we're going to show you how we will do it. This will be the ceiling. We just marked, in this case, exactly the middle of the board. And in the middle of the board, we're going to drill then a hole that would allow us to put this inside this arm of the lamp. It can be in your case that you will have to do it on this side, depending where you're going to put the lamp, or in different places. We took this in order to draw the circle. You can take something, you can take a tube, or you can take whatever. We just say not something that has less than a diameter of 100 millimeters, and of course not bigger than this cover, because this will go for the lamp. We're going to show you now how we will do the hole. So, as you can see, we've made a hole. This will be on the ceiling, of course, but then you just put this false ceiling inside. That's why we have the hole. Then you will take the cover. This will be the cover. You will put it in here. And we have the cover comes with a ring. And this ring is the one that is going to be covering. You have on the sides 3 screws, and these 3 screws are the ones that you can hold and mount this cover. Once you fix them on this, it will stay fixed. And this is how you mount the cover of the lamp. So this is the last step to mount the lamp. It's actually pretty easy. You have all the steps also shown in our instruction manual. You have the 2 plugs. You cannot do anything wrong. Put them in here. After that, if you cannot push these cables inside, you can also do it from the back as it is shown. You just pull in, and they will go in. They will go in together until you can enter this joint. You have the 2 screws. You take them out. These 2 screws will go one here, one on the other side. Screw it fixed, and that's it.